We are now into the month of March and about a month away from Hershey Park opening back up again for the 2023 season, and there's a lot of structure that has been added onto Wildcat's Revenge. All this and more coming up next on PA and J Thrills.
Get ready, here we go.
Guys, it looks like a lot of structure right there, as you can see, has been added on. All that new fresh brown wood is there. You can see a crane in the background, working on the back half of the ride. I've been told that a lot of work has been going on there the past couple weeks, so apologies for the wind right now. It's definitely the month of March. We're starting to pay a lot more attention to the back half of the ride. You can see the cross ties. That might be for going into the wave turn in the back half, or that might be coming back from the zero-G roll underneath the death roll. So we'll definitely see in the coming weeks. It does look like there are construction workers here today, so we'll see how much is getting done. A lot of clearing has also begun by the station. They might be starting to work on the queue. Also, a lot of work has been done on the station. It looks pretty much almost done right now. Also, I don't know if I covered this in my last update, but it looks like a little bit of structure has been added on top of the underflip. So as you go through this element, you're going to be diving through all this wood. Definitely going to be pretty cool. It's a little tough to see from Hershey Gardens, but when you come down here to Hershey Park Drive, you really just see how much of that first camelback airtime hill they got done. There looks like there's like a little hole in the middle where I guess track is going to be passing underneath. Yeah, it looks great. Again, guys, apologies for the wind, but there's also some really twisted track pieces right there in the parking lot, the delivery parking lot. So, yeah, definitely a lot of stuff going on here. can also kind of see a little bit of the back half of the ride right there. Starting to come together a little bit. Over these past updates, like they've been kind of focusing on the front half, and like the back half is kind of not really moved much. But now it looks like they're starting to focus more on the back half. You see some construction guys being hoisted. They might be trying to lift another piece of track into place today. Hopefully we'll see something. Looks like they're focusing on the airtime hill. Oh, Hershey, please bring this guy back for the 50th anniversary of Chocolate World. Sorry guys, looks like it still tastes of love. I'm waiting for one of these days for them to change it back to the original Chocolate World theme song. They did say they were going to. I'm just waiting for the time I come for them to turn it back.
Everyone ready?
Still waiting to know what this new attraction was. Apparently there was another teaser that was dropped this week. So we'll see what it is. And well guys, that's going to do it from this week's construction updates for Wildcat's Revenge. I hope you all enjoyed it. We'll be back here next week to check out more progress. And that will be the final episode from the off-season part of this series. After next episode, we'll be back at Hershey Park for our construction updates. So I'm really excited to get back and get some more angles for you guys. I know I've been kind of limited on what I can get shots of, but yeah, it's definitely exciting. So be sure to hit that like button, please leave a comment for me, and be sure to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with all you need to know with Wildcat's Revenge. Take care guys, bye bye.